haven't really been super interested in making this trip. I just got dropped off at the Manitowish River here in northern Wisconsin, and for the next 3 days I'm going to be camping and fishing my way down it. This river seems to have a lot of potential, but I've been really hesitant to come here because of how populated it is. So what I'm really here to do is kind of prove myself wrong. And hopefully I can show myself that I actually can have a really good time taking a trip in a place like this. We do have about 8 miles to make today. And as long as we're not scraping and dragging too much, we should be able to do that just fine. Yes! Oh! Dang it, I lost him. I've been told the fishing is decent. I've already seen some fish in here. Oh my gosh, that's a huge rock bass. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not. It's a smallmouth. Wow, he's fat. He's so fat. I thought it was a rock bass because how round he is. Oh my gosh. Nice, first fish. I am hoping we don't get rained on today. The sky has been dark all day and I kind of drove up here through a thunderstorm. It's not supposed to rain anymore today, but you never know. This grass looks like it has frosted tips. Looks kind of good, actually. Do you think I would? No, never mind. Yeah, no, you're right. You're right, never mind. Limbo! I think we got a little blockage up here. No way, dude. That is so cool. I've never seen a porcupine before. He's so little. He does not care that I'm here either. He looks so funny. Just a soft little fluff ball. Just don't get on his bad side, you know? This is so interesting. I've never paddled in like a area like this before. But there's like these little paths. I don't know if they're from people paddling through or not, probably. And you just kind of pick one and hope it goes the direction you want to go. I gotta say, I came out here to change my mind about this area, and it's already working. We were definitely on a more kind of remote, secluded section of this route. Tomorrow is gonna be kind of the big test. We're crossing a chain of like 3 lakes, big like cabin up north lakes, so we'll see. But it's gonna be hard to find things to complain about.
morning. Got some miles to make today, so I better get moving and grooving.
Oh my gosh.
I'm eating breakfast. The bugs are eating breakfast. Everybody's getting their nutrition in for the day. They're crossing through like 3 or 4 lakes today. I've already got a breeze coming through, and it's in the wrong direction. We'll just get out there, see what we can do.
I think this guy was chilling under the canoe. What's your name? Wait! Man, he's a runner, guys. There's a goose turf war going on over here. We got the headwinds today. 12 miles to our optimal destination, but we could stop at around 8, so, and hopefully some fish along the way. That would be Neato Burrito. Out of the first lake into this channel that'll go into the second. I gotta say, I've been pretty by myself for the most of this second lake as well. Still a lot of houses and everything, but not a lot of boats on the water right now, which is surprising. I mean, it is a Monday morning, so maybe not surprising, but pretty pleasant. I think these are Swiss lily pads because of the holes in them. Okay, one more lake to go here, and the wind is the worst it's been yet today, so just gotta buckle down and get her done. Dang, a dock too? This is luxury. That was like the funniest portage of all time. Super nice takeout with the little dock and everything there. You know, that's the first time I've ever had to dodge cars while carrying a canoe. And there was a giant largemouth bass. I gave him a little high five. But yeah, it's a nice little area I just didn't expect to be taken out in like the middle of a tourist spot. But holy smokes, I have to pee and there are people everywhere. I'm hoping we get some good fishing on this section. Been hearing some pretty good stuff about it, so it's always the battle between good area for fishing and my incompetence in fishing. Who will win? We're really on right now. Oh, what a fatty. He's so fat. What the heck? What is this? Ah! Are you kidding me? But he's so fat. Okay, let's get him in the water. I feel like Jeremy Wade right now. That was a river monster, dude. Are you serious? He was so fat. He was so heavy. I feel like I'm canoeing on top of like the most beautiful aquarium ever. You can just see all these fish. There's so many fish. Oh, and I saw a big muskie, but he got kind of annoyed with me, so I hope I got something, but I don't know, we'll see. This tent actually has a crazy feature that I did not understand the first time I set it up, but I'm gonna try it this time because I think I get it now. Ta-da! Mosquitoes keep getting in through this spot somehow, but I keep crushing them in there so that anybody who tries next has to crawl through the corpses of other mosquitoes who failed. Hopefully that'll discourage them. Today was a sick day. I didn't know if I could make that much mileage by myself. I'm not used to tripping by myself. But yeah, that river section was so beautiful. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill in here for a little while longer. The sun's gonna be going down soon, and I'm definitely tired, so I'll be heading to bed after that. Morning. Great day to be alive. Heading to our takeout today. Just got to tear down here and get in the boat, and then we're gonna try to get on some fish in between here and the end, so hopefully we can do that. Caught an absolute toad yesterday. That was amazing. Two things we gotta make happen. Number one, catch a fish. Number two, don't get rained on. Although, I don't know, it's looking okay right now. Yes. Oh. Oh. Wow. This is a big one too. How am I catching these fish? Come here. Oh. Wow. Are you kidding me? That's another absolute pig. These fish are so big. Why? Oh, hi. That was unexpected. Okay. Just part of the crew now. I haven't really fished that hard, and I've caught two absolute balloons. This is nuts. Praise God, that's such a blessing. What a gift. Well, I gotta say, I definitely achieved what I set out to do, and that was to prove myself wrong about this area. I just had a blast. I really had a great time. And I think, like I said yesterday, like as long as you know what you're getting into, you're gonna really, really enjoy it. And there's really great fishing to be had out here. Some incredible scenery. Yeah, I'm really glad I came out, and I was really hesitant to. So, succeeded today as well. Caught a fish, didn't get rained on. So, big success. That definitely wraps this one up. As always, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.